Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about measurement of weight. Okay beta, so let's start with that. Mass and weight. The quantity of matters in an object is called its mass. In our daily life we use the word weight instead of mass. Thus the weight of an object tells us how much of an object is there or how heavy an object is. So first one is units of measuring weights. The standard unit of weight is kilogram. The smaller unit of weight is gram beta. A still smaller unit of weight is milligram. So in short we denote kilogram by kg and gram को हम क्या कहेंगे g और मिलीग्राम we just denote with mg beta. So मिलीग्राम सबसे छोटा होता है, उसके बाद ग्राम और सबसे बिगर यूनिट हमारी क्या होती है किलोग्राम. एंड 1 kg हमारा कितने के बराबर होते हैं? इट्स अ 1000 ग्राम. होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. सो नाउ मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. दिस इज डिवाइसेस टू मेजर वेट. सो लेट्स सी. The most commonly used device to measure weight is a physical balance. A balance has two pans. We put the objects in one pan of the balance and go on the putting standard weights in the other pan till the two pans are in the same level. The total measures of these weights gives the weight of the objects beta. In general, the weights of the following denominations are used. Okay. So here it is given 10 gram, then 20 gram, 50, 100 and so on. This is 1 kg, this is 2 kg. Okay. So I hope you understood. Now move on. Next, this is texting time 12.1. Here it is given, write the suitable unit means kg or gram for measuring the weight of. First one is yourself. So आप कितने का आपका जो weight होगा आप किस में आप measure करोगे? केजी में कि ग्राम में. सो हमारा जो वेट होगा वो आएगा केजी. सो जस्ट राइट इट केजी. शुगर बैग. सो शुगर बैग भी हमारा हैवी होता है. वी जस्ट राइट इट केजी. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. सो नाउ मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट. दिस इज बी पार्ट. एस्टिमेट फॉर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग यू नीड अ बिगर बैग टू कैरी. ओके. सो 1 kg potatoes और 1 kg potato chips. For which things you need a bigger bag? Of course, for potato you need a bigger bag. So we just write it 1 kg potato. I hope you understood. Okay. So now next topic beta. This is additions and subtractions of weights. On the basis of the above principles, we have the following rules. Rule number 1, to add 2 or more weights in a grams or kilograms, we simply add the numbers and put down the units. Observe the following additions. So here it is given 36 kg and 48 kg. कितना होता है हमारा? Yes, 84 kg. Similarly 163 kg, 308, 296. Now add it simply. So 767 kg. Similarly that one beta. Now rule number 2, to subtract one weight from the other, we simply subtract the numbers and put down the units. Observe the following subtractions here. 92 kg minus 68 kg. That means 24 kg beta. Similarly, this one. Okay. So now relations between kgs and gram. Repeat the above activity with 2 bags each measuring 500 gram. After that, you shall observe 500 gram plus 500 gram कितने होते हैं हमारे? This is 1 kg. But adding as shown above, we have 500 gram, 500 gram. That means 1000 gram or 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. I hope you understood. Now conversion of kilograms into grams and vice versa. So we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. हमें पता है. So rule number 1, to convert kilograms into grams, we multiply the number of kilograms by thousands. Thus 4 kg means 4 into 1000. That means 4000 gram. 9 kg means 9 into 1000 means 9,000 gram. Rule number 2, to convert kilograms and grams into grams, we multiply the number of kilograms by 1000 and add it to the number of grams. Okay, 5 kg 675, suppose we have that number, so 5 kg that means 5,000 gram and 675 remain the same. Now add both the gram and gram with, so now it becomes 5,675 gram beta. Hope you understood well. So now example number 1. Convert the following into kilograms and grams. Here it is given 4,685 gram. So 4,000 gram means 4 kg, 605 remains same. So now it becomes 4 kg 685 gram, like that one beta. Now B part, 7,056 gram. So 7,000 means 7 kg and 56 remains same. So it becomes 7 kg 56 gram. Okay beta. So now just see the texting time 12.2. First one is convert the following into grams. 7 kg हमारा कितना बनता है? Yes, it's a 7,000 gram. Okay. Second one is 8 kg 190 gram. ये कितना बना हमारा? 8 kg 190 gram, like that way. Now B part. Convert the following into kilogram and gram. So this is 5 kg and कितना? 500 gram beta. Hope you understood well. So now move on next. Addition of weights. Suppose 2 or more measures of weight, means in kgs and grams, are given to us. To add these measures, we arrange them in 2 columns of kgs and grams and add them separately as shown below. Solve example. Example number 1. Add 28 kgs 460 gram and 45 kg 385 gram. Solutions. We may arrange and add the given measures column wise as under, like this, kg and gram. Now adding gram first, 460 and 385 कितने होते हैं हमारे? 845. So write 845 under gram columns. Now add kg. 28 kg plus 45 kg हमारे कितने बनते हैं? Yes, 73 kg. So write 73 under kg column. So in some cases, the sum of the figures in a column turns out to be a greater than a multiple of thousands. So in such cases, we convert as many grams to kg as possible and carry it over to the kg column. Consider the following example. See example number 2. At 37 kg 875 gram and 49 kg 387 gram. So solutions. Arrange the given measures in 2 columns of kgs and grams and adding separately we get. Like that one. kg का कॉलम हमारा अलग है, ग्राम का कॉलम हमारा अलग है. सो दोनों को हम ऐड करेंगे. सो हमें कितना मिलेगा? ग्राम और ग्राम को ऐड करने पे हमें मिला 1262 ग्राम. So it's a 1000. So just separate it 1000 and 262 separate it. Now 1 kg plus 262 gram. That means write 262 under gram column and carry over 1 to kg column. Okay, जो ये 1 kg है हमारा, ये हमारा kg के कॉलम में चला जाएगा. Now adding kg. अब kg के कॉलम्स को ऐड करेंगे. So यहाँ पर क्या बना हमारा? 1 which is carried over, 37 and 40 now. Now add all the 3 value, you just get it 87 kg. So we can say that the sum of that number is 87 kg and 260 gram beta. I hope you understood whole concept very nicely. Okay. So now shortcut method. Let's see. Write the number of grams as 3 digit numbers. For example, write 63 gram as 063 ग्राम एंड 5 ग्राम को कैसे लिखेंगे हम? 005. हमको 3 डिजिट्स में लिखना है इसको. एक्सप्रेसिंग ग्राम्स एज 3 डिजिट नंबर्स, वी मे एड सच मेजर्स एज ऑर्डिनरी नंबर्स The following examples will make the idea more clear beta. Okay, so let's see the examples. Texting time 12.3. Here it is given, add the following. So 900 kg with 76 kg, we just add it. So 6, 7, 9. So it becomes 976 kg. Hope you understood. Now B part. Arrange in columns and add. Okay. So let's start how to solve it. 176 kg and this is 706 gram, and in that 19, this is 89. So we just put it 0 over here because हमें 3 digits बनाने हैं. 27, okay, and this is 0 and this is 007. ये हमारा ग्राम है. This is gram, this is kg, this is kg. Okay. So how to do this? We just add it. 9 and 7 कितने होते हैं? 16, and 16 is 22 का 2, carry 2, 8 और 2 10, carry 1, and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and write it 8. This is kg का kg, this is gram का gram beta. After that, this is 2, this is 1, and 1, 2 और एक, this is 3 beta. So it is now 312 kg and 802 gram. I hope you understood well. So now move on next, which is subtractions of weights. Suppose two measures of weight, that is in kg and gram, are given to us. To subtract the smaller measures from the larger one, we arrange them in a 2 columns like of kgs and grams and subtract them separately as shown below. Subtractions of measures in a kilograms and grams. So हम कैसे करेंगे? Let's see. We arrange the given measures in a 2 columns of kgs and grams and subtract them in separately. Example number 1. Okay, कैसे करेंगे हम? Subtract 36 kg 196 gram from 75 kg 198 gram. Solutions: arranging the given measures in 2 columns of kgs and grams and subtracting column wise we get. क्या कैसे करेंगे? 198 minus 196 कितना मिला हमें? 2 gram. So write 2 under a column. Now subtracting kgs. 75 kg 36 kg से minus करेंगे, so we get it 39 kg. So we can say that 39 kg 2 gram is the answer of that one. Hope you understood. So now move on next beta. Example 2. Subtract 19 kg 975 gram from 82 kg and 620 gram. Solutions: arranging the given measures in a 2 columns first of kgs and a gram, like that one. This is kg column, this is a gram column, and subtracting column wise. फिर उसको column wise subtract करेंगे. So subtracting gram. So we can't subtract 975 gram from 620. Okay. So we borrow 1 kg leaving behind 61 gram. So now 1 kg 620 gram, that means 1620 gram. And हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों को माइनस करेंगे. So हमारा वैल्यू आएगी 640 ग्राम. After that we just write it 645 under gram column. Now subtracting kg. 81 kg minus 19 हमारा क्या बना? Yes, 62 kg. So we can say that 62 kg 645 gram is the answer of that one. Now see the shortcut method. Taking the number of a gram as a 3-digit number, arrange the given measures in a 2 columns of kgs and gram. Now subtract them as an ordinary number. Okay, okay beta. So now texting time 12.4. Here it is given, subtract 720 kg minus 627 kg. So 0 में से 7 माइनस नहीं हो सकता. Just borrow 1, it becomes 10. 10 में से 7 माइनस गए 3. It remain 1. Okay. Now 1 में से 2 माइनस नहीं कर सकते, तो ये कितना बन गया? 11 और यहाँ कितना रह गया? 6. नाउ 11 में से 2 माइनस करेंगे तो ये बना हमारा बेटा 9 एंड 6 में से 6 को माइनस करेंगे तो नथिंग. सो आंसर इज 93 yes kg beta. I hope you understood well. So these are the other questions, you have to complete it your own. Okay, so now move on word problems. Example number 1, Mohan bought 3 kg 500 gram of mangoes, 2 kg 375 gram of oranges and 1 kg 50 gram of apples. What is the total weight of the fruits bought by him? So let's see the solutions. क्या करेंगे हम? मैंगोज ये हैं, ये हमारे ऑरेंजेस हो गए और ये हमारे एप्पल्स हो गए. वी जस्ट एडिड ऑल द नंबर्स टुगेदर लाइक अ केजीज एंड अ ग्राम कॉलम वाइज. हैंस वी कैन से दैट द टोटल वेट ऑफ द फ्रूट इज 6 kg 925 gram. This is the answer beta. Hope you understood well. Now example number 2. A bucket full of water weighs 14 kg 320 gram. Okay. The weight of the empty bucket is 1 kg 685 gram. What is the weight of water in the bucket? So we just subtract both the numbers. So weight of the bucket हमारा कितना है? Like this one. Empty bucket का weight कितना है? That one. Now just subtract both the number and answer is 12 kg 635 gram. So hence this is the answer of that one beta. Now example number 3. A grocer had 100 kgs of sugar in the bucket. He sold 15 kg 675 gram to customer and 32 kg 750 gram to the another customer. Okay. So find the weight of the sugar left with him. तो कितना weight बचा है जो sugar उसके पास बची है? Let's see. Total quantity of sugar कितना है? 100. Okay, quantity of sugar sold to one customer 15 kg 675. Quantity of sugar sold to another को कितना आपने sold किया? 32 kg 750. So now total quantity of sugar sold is क्या करेंगे? इनको प्लस कर देंगे. So 15 kg 675 और 32 kg 750 को जस्ट ऐड ऑन किया. So ये हमारा बना 48 kg 425 ग्राम. Now quantity of sugar left with him क्या करेंगे हम? 100 kg minus 48 kg 425 gram. So answer is 51 kg 575 gram beta. Like that one. Okay. So this is the answer. I hope you understood whole concept very nicely. So now next beta. Texting time 12.5. So here it is given. A packet of sweets weight is 6 kg 250 gram. Another packet weight is 2 kg 156 gram. Then how much do they weigh together? दोनों का weight कितना हो गया? Let's see. Okay, so we just write it. This is kg and this is gram. So 6 kg और कितना है? 250 gram. And here it is 2 kg and 156 gram. So now add all the value together. So 6 का 6, 5 और 5, 10 का 0, carry 1, 2, 3 and 4 and this is 6 or 2, 8. So we can say that 8 kg 406 gram is the answer of that one beta. I hope you understood well. So these are the other questions, you have to complete it your own. Okay. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood whole concepts very nicely. So do practice beta and do all these question answers yourselves.